Welcome to Understanding the National Economy Through Economic Data. Economic data forms the backbone of comprehensive economic analysis, illuminating the health and dynamics of a nation's economy. Throughout this video, we will uncover the significance of these vital data points in revealing economic trends and influencing major economic decisions. Ever wondered how economists predict recessions or booms? It starts here with the numbers that tell a nation's story. We'll explore key economic indicators like GDP, unemployment rates, and inflation, illustrating how they paint the economic landscape. By understanding these basics, you'll appreciate how economic data not only interprets current trends, but also forecasts future movements. Ready to embark on this analytical journey? Let's dive into the world of economic data and discover its foundational role in shaping our economy. Understanding these elements is crucial for anyone determined to decode the national economy's complex narrative. As we delve deeper, we focus on three pivotal indicators: GDP, the unemployment rate, and inflation. These aren't just numbers, they are the pulse points reflecting our nation's economic well-being. GDP, or gross domestic product, measures all goods and services produced within a country, offering a snapshot of economic productivity and trends, signaling expansion or contraction. The unemployment rate provides insights into the labor market's health, with high rates indicating challenges, while lower rates suggest thriving job conditions. Inflation reflects the rate at which prices increase, affecting purchasing power. Moderate inflation is normal, but high inflation can disrupt economic stability. Together, these indicators guide economists, policymakers, and investors in decisions about our economy's present and future. By understanding GDP, unemployment, and inflation dynamics, we assess economic health and anticipate shifts. In today's interconnected world, these indicators are more than statistics. They are tools shaping national policy and impacting individual livelihoods. Let's explore how terminology plays a crucial role in grasping economic analysis's subtleties. In this segment, we delve into essential economic terms that form our analysis backbone. First, GDP, or gross domestic product, represents a country's total economic output, indicating whether an economy is expanding or declining. The unemployment rate reflects labor market health, showing the proportion of those seeking work but unable to find it. A high rate suggests economic distress, while a low rate indicates more job opportunities. Finally, inflation measures how prices increase over time, directly impacting purchasing power. By understanding these terms, we appreciate their relevance to economic analysis. These definitions are tools not just for economists, but for anyone seeking to understand economic decision drivers. By defining these terms, we set the stage for examining real-world applications in upcoming segments. Reflecting on the 2008 financial crisis, we observe how economic data was crucial in navigating turbulent times. As mortgage markets collapsed and global trade plummeted, economic data guided us. Key indicators like GDP, unemployment rates, and inflation forecasts shaped government and financial bodies' responses globally. Consider this. As GDP plummeted, signaling a severe recession, governments scrambled to enact stimulus packages, adjusting fiscal policies with increased spending. Unemployment surged to alarming levels, highlighting the need for job creation. Meanwhile, inflation or deflation concerns led central banks to slash interest rates, boosting borrowing and spending. Economic data was the linchpin for recovery, aiding policymakers in informed decision-making amidst chaos. The crisis highlighted how economic data impacts real-world implications, affecting millions' livelihoods. It taught the power of being proactive rather than reactive, using data as a guide. In our next segment, we'll explore how fiscal and monetary policies evolve, reflecting lessons learned from such moments in history. Concluding our exploration into economic data, let's recap their essential role in understanding national economic health. Monitoring indicators like GDP, the unemployment rate, and inflation empowers interpretation of trends, anticipation of changes, and crafting of policies aligned with stability and growth goals. The 2008 financial crisis showcased economic data's power in steering recovery and effective policy decisions. It illustrates the critical importance of data interpretation. In an evolving global landscape, vigilance and adaptability are key. Our journey in economics doesn't end here. In our next video, we'll dive into fiscal and monetary policies, exploring these strategies' influence on the economic environment and societal outcomes. If intrigued by economic concepts unfolding in real-world scenarios, stay tuned. We aim to provide content that educates and equips you with essential analytical tools for informed decision-making. Thank you for joining this journey. Subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss upcoming videos. Understanding economics empowers comprehension of forces shaping daily lives. Let's continue exploring economic phenomena influencing our world. Stay informed and see you in the next episode.